Yes, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nava Sylvia, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you the different errors that we have in Microsoft Excel. Yeah, as you can see, this is our worksheet, and as you're working with Microsoft Excel, you can come across a number of errors here, and you might not know what they mean. So today that's what I'm going to be showing you. So beginning off strong, I'm going to show you this error. It's called the null error, and basically this error comes about when you're putting your formula, and then instead of using the colons, you use a space function. So let me show you. Like for example, these are my values here. As you can see, let me try like getting the total. If I put in my formula for the sum, sorry, and the sum is going to be b2. It's going to be b2. Sorry, it has to be in capital letters. Sum b2, and then instead of using these marks here, as you can see, and then I just put space, and then I put up to d2. So let me put d2 so that you can see, and then I press enter. You're going to see it has portrayed a null function. Okay, yeah. So if you want to rectify it, you'll just remove the space bar. You'll just remove the space, and then you put those columns, right? So let me do it for you here so that you can see it. Cosine sum, open brackets, it's going to be b2 to d2. Then I press enter. I'm going to get an answer here. So that's the first error, and the second error is the name. So the name, let me write it here so that you can see how it appears. Yeah, so the name error appears like this, and basically it comes about when like the formula is misspelled. Okay, so like for example, I'm going to be using sum as an example. So if you're supposed to spell sum as SUM, and then you spell it like as SAM, excuse me, and then you open your brackets and put, this is going to be A3 to D3. So I press enter. It's going to bring the name, because like I've literally when you misspell something, it's not like recognized, so it changes the whole meaning. So it will not be sum, because there is no sum with SAM in Microsoft formula, so that formula will not be recognized, and the only thing that you have to do to rectify it is to spell the sum correctly. Yeah, so I think that's a bit easy to rectify. And also it can come about if you like put a formula that's not there in Excel. Yeah, and then another error that I'm going to be showing you is the one that has ref. It's like ref. Yeah, this is how the ref appears, and for it comes about when the cell can't be located, like when the cell reference cannot be located, and it's common when you like delete, let me say, a cell, a column, or a row. Yeah, you're going to see this error, and it's a very common error, by the way. Now, like for example, let me say like I computed the sum of this first row, right? So let me try to delete this I'm going to delete this column so that you can see. Delete entire row. Yes. Okay. So sorry. I had to delete a column. So let me redo it again. Yeah. So okay, let me first show you another error, and it's the what? It's the value error. Yeah. And now this value error comes about like if you compute and then you get like an answer which is too small or way too big for error to handle, I would say. Now, like for example, if let me say I have here like 1000, sorry, I have like 1000 here, and then here I have like 700, I would say. Like 700. Yes. So and I come here and I say this is going to be C4, I mean B4, and then I power it to D4, right? Yeah, D4. Then I press Enter. Sorry, I had to put equal signs. Sorry. Let me first put the equal signs so that it can be a formula. So I press Enter. It's going to bring num, you see? Yeah, because like the calculation, like the number is way too big for Microsoft to handle, right? Yeah, and that's another one. Then I'm also going to be showing you the division. There is this one which has the there is also that one. So this one basically comes about when you're like dividing a number by 0. Now, like for example, if I have here my D4, if I put my equal signs, then I'd be like D4 divided by C4. I'll get this error because like I'm dividing the 700 by 0. This is not recognized by Excel. So yeah. So guys, those are the errors that I wanted to show you as beginners. Yeah, I'll be showing you my errors. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like, to share, and to comment on my videos. Yes, thank you very much.